Ever wondered why seafood is often touted as a superfood? It's a question that pops up quite frequently, isn't it? Seafood, with its spectrum of colors and flavors, is a favorite for many. But beyond the taste, there's a widely held belief that it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Is it really the case? What makes this group of foods so special? What's hiding beneath those scales and shells? Stay tuned to discover the 10 health benefits of incorporating seafood into your diet. Firstly, seafood is a heart's best friend. Now that may sound like a bold claim, but let's dive into the science behind it. Seafood, especially fish, is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These are the good guys in the dietary world, the unsung heroes that can do wonders for your heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, a key factor in cardiovascular disease. They also help lower blood pressure, decrease triglyceride levels, and slow the development of plaque in the arteries. These benefits collectively reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. But that's not all. Regular consumption of seafood can also help maintain a regular heart rhythm and decrease the chance of sudden cardiac death. So, if you want a heart that beats strong and steady, consider adding more seafood to your plate. Include seafood in your diet and your heart will thank you for it. Secondly, seafood is brain food. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a scientific fact. The brain-boosting benefits of seafood largely come from the omega-3 fatty acids it contains. These essential fats are instrumental in brain function and development. They're like the oil that keeps the cogs of your brain turning smoothly. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. Without the right fuel, it can't run at its peak. Omega-3 fatty acids are that premium fuel for your brain. They boost cognitive function, improve memory, and can even enhance mood, but that's not all. Research suggests that these omega-3 fatty acids might also play a role in reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. They appear to slow down the decline in brain function that can occur with age, so seafood not only tastes good but also makes you smarter. Thirdly, seafood could help you see clearly. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, seafood plays a vital role in maintaining good eye health. These essential fats, especially DHA or docosahexaenoic acid, found in high amounts in oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, contribute to the health and integrity of the retina, that vital part of the eye responsible for translating light into the images we see. Furthermore, consuming seafood regularly can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in people over 60. Studies have shown that a diet rich in seafood can slow down the progression of this disease, helping maintain your vision clarity as you age. In addition to omega-3, seafood is a source of vitamins A and D, both crucial for eye health. Vitamin A protects the cornea, while vitamin D may prevent age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. Clearly, seafood is a sight for sore eyes. Fourthly, seafood might be the secret to glowing skin. Yes, you heard that right. The ocean's bounty could be the answer to achieving that radiant complexion you've always desired. The key here is the omega-3 fatty acids found in abundance in seafood. These fatty acids are known to nourish the skin by reducing inflammation and promoting hydration. They can help combat dryness and flakiness, leaving your skin feeling smooth and supple. Furthermore, these essential fats help in preserving the skin's elasticity, thus fighting the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. They also play a vital role in protecting your skin against harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of sun damage and skin cancer. So if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skin health, seafood could be your new best friend. From salmon to oysters, there's a wide array of options to choose from. Want radiant skin? Consider adding seafood to your diet. Fifthly, seafood is a nutrient powerhouse. Now let's dive into the ocean of nutrients that seafood has to offer. It's an abundant source of vitamin D, a crucial component that aids in calcium absorption for strong bones and teeth. But wait, there's more. Seafood also offers a generous serving of B-complex vitamins. These vitamins are like the backstage crew at a concert, working tirelessly behind the scenes. They're involved in energy production, DNA repair, and maintaining optimal brain function. And let's not forget about zinc, another superstar in the nutritional lineup. This mineral is vital for a robust immune system and wound healing. It's also essential for our senses of taste and smell. From vitamins to minerals, seafood dishes out an array of nutrients essential for our body. It's like nature's multivitamin, conveniently packaged in a delicious, succulent form. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember the nutrient bounty that seafood offers. Seafood certainly packs a nutrient punch. Sixthly, seafood can aid in weight management. This is because in general it is a low-calorie, high-protein food packed with essential nutrients. The protein content in seafood is incredibly beneficial for weight control, as it makes you feel full and satisfied for longer. This can help reduce unnecessary snacking, leading to a decrease in overall calorie intake. Moreover, seafood is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to aid in weight loss by improving metabolism. This means your body can burn calories more efficiently, helping to maintain a healthy weight. Seafood also offers lean protein options like cod, haddock, and tilapia that are lower in fat compared to red meats. This makes them a great choice for those looking to manage their weight without sacrificing the nutrients they need. So whether you're trying to lose weight, maintain it, or just live a healthier lifestyle, seafood can be a valuable tool in your nutritional arsenal. Seafood can be a delicious addition to a balanced diet. Lastly, seafood can lift your spirits. It's no secret that many of us grapple with the blues from time to time. But what if the solution is as simple as incorporating more seafood into our diets? You see, seafood is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients have been linked to a decrease in depressive symptoms and an overall uplift in mood. Think about it. When your body is well nourished, it operates at its best. This includes the proper functioning of your brain, which plays a key role in determining your mood. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in seafood, are crucial for brain health. They help regulate neurotransmitters, reduce inflammation, and promote brain health, all of which can lead to mood enhancement. So, the next time you're feeling a little low, remember this. A plate of succulent seafood might not be a magic cure, but it certainly holds promising potential. A seafood meal might just be the mood booster you need. To recap, seafood offers a plethora of health benefits. This video has taken us on a delicious journey discovering the numerous health benefits of seafood. Let's jog our memory a bit, shall we? Firstly, we delved into how seafood can contribute to heart health, a vital organ that benefits from the omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and shellfish. We then moved on to the brain-boosting benefits of seafood. Omega-3 fatty acids yet again play a crucial role, aiding in cognitive function and potentially warding off mental decline. Seafood also offers a boost to our eye health, with certain species rich in retinol, a form of vitamin A which can improve night vision and maintain overall eye health. Our skin, the body's largest organ, can also reap the benefits of seafood, gaining hydration and elasticity from the high-quality proteins found in our fishy friends. Remember, seafood is a nutrient powerhouse. It's packed full of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B2, zinc and iron, essential for our overall well-being. We also discussed how seafood could help manage weight. High in protein and low in fat, it's a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. And let's not forget the mood-enhancing benefits of seafood. With its rich supply of nutrients, seafood can potentially help to reduce depression and promote a positive outlook. Here's to enjoying seafood for both its taste and health benefits. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe, share and comment. Every click, every share, every comment helps us to keep bringing you these health insights. Dive into our playlist for more fascinating health topics, or cast your net wider and share this video with your friends and family. You never know who might benefit from a health boost, so why wait? Subscribe for more health-related videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth.